Vicky from the Windows Club. In large Excel documents, it could be difficult to find merged cells individually, and the Find window doesn't show merged cells by default. In this case, you can try the following procedure to find merged cells on your Windows computer. Open the Microsoft Excel document for which you wish to find merged cells. Click on Find and select at the top right corner. Select Find. This will open the Find and Replace window. Click on Options. Select Format. Go to the Alignment tab. Check the box associated with Merge Cells. Click on OK to save the settings. Click on Find All. Now, the merged cells will be shown as a list. Does this help you? Please let us know in the comments section. Also, we would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel.